Hi everyone, thanks for coming back. It's Kathy, your independent sales Scentsy consultant. Say that 5 times fast. Today I'm coming to you with an unboxing of the February 2019 scent and warmer of the month. And of course, being February, it's going to be Valentine's Day themed, and it's very pretty from what I can tell online. I've opened the box, but I have not taken the warmer out yet because I wanted to do that on camera for you guys. So, oh, I wanted to start out by telling you a little bit about how my journey's been so far. Today marks 15 days with Scentsy, and I am absolutely loving it. I cannot believe how much support you get through Scentsy. Like, you're literally handed everything you need with that $99 kit. And besides paying for the kit, the website, the workstation that we get, there's so much support there. There's marketing materials, and you're connected with your director, and there's Facebook groups, and it's pretty amazing. I've gotten all my questions answered. I've been just loving everything I'm doing, and I'm working hard. And a couple days ago I reached my first goal of getting the Shooting Star Award, and I'm so proud of myself for that. So it's been very exciting, and I can't wait to keep going and keep growing. So anyway, let's get back to the scent and warmer of the month, and here we go. I'm going to, oh, here's what the box it came in. It's kind of a long one. But, so I opened the box, but I've not opened the warmer yet. So I'm going to pull the warmer out for you. Here we go. It's called Love Abounds, and you can see it's got some hearts on it. So let's open it up and see. Instruction manual. Here's the little dish where your scents go. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here on the newer warmers is a number. This one says 4, and that is in our new warmers that have come out recently. Scentsy has been putting that on there to tell you the recommended amount of cubes to put in your dish. Now still, that's up to you. I mean, obviously don't overflow it, but that's what they recommend. But again, up to you. 1 for a lighter scent, 2 for average. If you really want it to scent your whole house, try the 4. So here we go. Oh, it's got gold hearts on it. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Comes with your light bulb. Everything is always packaged so nice, so protected. The cord's all tied up. Let's unwrap this baby. Oh wow. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you see that detail? It's like textured hearts, and then it's got the little gold accents. And here's where the light would shine through. So you'd put your wax cubes in here, and you'd put it on here, and that's the perfect neutral Valentine's Day decoration for your home. And it's going to scent your home perfectly. Oh, I love this so much. So, what scent would you put in it? Scentsy's February 2019 scent of the month is called Poppy Fields. This is a beautiful sort of orangey red color. That smells amazing. If you love florals, this is definitely for you. Let's see, what do I get in here? There's definitely rose, and of course the poppy scent, hence the name Poppy Fields. There's a rose scent in there, but it's not an overpowering, like you've had roses sitting in your house for too long scent. I hate that. I love roses. I love when my husband gets me flowers, but a few too many days and you know what that smell is like. So, but no, this is amazing. This is a perfect, like, Valentine's Day scent, if that makes sense. So not only does that come in the bars, but it also comes in a room spray. I'll show you how powerful that is. Get it going here. So that's perfect. Just a couple of sprays in your room, and your room is scented for a little while. And then, as a consultant, we also get a little tester of the new scent. So this is nice for anyone who is local to me, or we have a basket party, or if I have this with me, I can show people and they can try out the scent for themselves. And we also get tons of bars in our scent and warmer of the month so I can make samples to show everyone what they what the scent smells like before they purchase. So that's awesome. So that's all that came in my scent and warmer of the month kit. I'm going to be getting these every month, and I'll do an unboxing for you. I really appreciate you spending a few minutes with me, and if you have a desire to order this warmer or any of these scents or scent products like the room spray, I was trying to think if there was something else, but yes, room spray. I will leave my website listed below, or you can message me through YouTube and I'll get back to you. But I am absolutely loving Scentsy so far. If you have an interest in coming along with my journey, I would love to have you on my team. I'm so ready to build it, and I'm so ready to get going with building my own team because I know I can be a great support to you all. I have a coaching background, and so I know that I'm going to love that too when I get a team built. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.